The clock is ticking. Every second that passes is a chance to change your life. Look around you. People are rushing, chasing deadlines, caught in the whirlwind of daily life. But what if you could step off that treadmill? What if you could hit the pause button and rewrite your story? 90 days. Whether it's your health, career, relationships, or mindset, you can transform your life if you commit to the right process. I'm Mohamed from SudaTech, and I'm going to give you 6 powerful steps to completely change your life. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Begin with the end in mind. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine your ideal life 90 days from now. What do you see? What do you feel? Don't hold back. Be specific. What do you want to achieve in the next 90 days? Is it losing those extra pounds, finally starting that business, strengthening your relationships, or simply finding inner peace? Write it down. Create a vision board filled with images that ignite your soul. Visualize your ideal life every single day. This is not just a whimsical exercise, it's about aligning your actions with your goals, creating a magnetic pull that draws you closer to your dreams each day. Now that you have a crystal clear vision, it's time to build the habits that will turn it into reality. Transformation thrives on routine. For the next 90 days, focus on building habits that serve your vision and move you closer to your goals. Start your day with intention. Whether it's exercising, reading, meditating, or simply taking a few moments for yourself before the day begins, make it a non-negotiable. Track your habits. What gets measured gets improved. Use a journal, an app, or a simple checklist to keep yourself accountable. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Replace excuses with action and bad habits with empowering ones. We often get overwhelmed by the sheer size of our goals, thinking we have to achieve everything overnight. This is where most people stumble. But here's the secret. Break it down. The secret to success is dividing big goals into smaller, actionable steps. Instead of looking at the entire 90 days, break your journey into 3 30-day phases. Each phase should have clear, achievable targets. Think of it as climbing a mountain. Every week, take some time to review your progress. This system ensures you're always moving forward, building momentum, and staying motivated. Chapter 4. Master your mindset. Your mindset is the most powerful tool you have on this journey. It can either be your greatest ally or your biggest obstacle. Success begins in your mind. If you believe you can achieve something, you're already halfway there. For the next 90 days, commit to cultivating a positive, growth-oriented mindset. Work on silencing that inner critic, the voice that tells you you're not good enough, smart enough, or disciplined enough. Replace it with positive affirmations. Your thoughts shape your beliefs shape your actions, and your actions shape your destiny. Chapter 5. Stay consistent and resilient. Let's face it, life is full of surprises. And not all of them are pleasant. Challenges will come. There will be days when you feel like giving up, days when you question your abilities, and days when you just want to crawl back into your comfort zone. But here's the key. Don't let setbacks derail you. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Recall that vision you created, that burning desire within you. See failure as feedback. Adjust, adapt, and keep moving forward. Resilience is your superpower in these 90 days. Consistency is more important than perfection. Chapter 6. Reflect and celebrate. As you move through these 90 days, remember to pause, reflect, and celebrate your progress. Every week, take some time to acknowledge how far you've come. Journal your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Celebrate your accomplishments, whether it's reaching a fitness goal, completing a challenging project, or strengthening a relationship. Share your success with friends and family who support your journey. Gratitude for how far you've come will fuel your motivation to keep going. Every step you take, every habit you build, every challenge you overcome brings you closer to the extraordinary life you envision. Look at the difference between where you are now and where you want to be. The gap might seem vast, the journey daunting, but remember, 90 days can feel like a lifetime, or the blink of an eye. The choice is yours. I'm Mohamed from SudaTech, reminding you that every great journey starts with a single step. Let today be that step. Embrace the challenge, commit to the process, and watch in amazement as you transform your life in 90 days. The next 90 days are yours. Make them count.